Let me tell you something nobody really talks about when it comes to KDP. There's a moment almost everyone goes through. You upload your first book, you refresh your dashboard, maybe once, maybe 10 times, and nothing happens. No sales, no notification. Just quiet. And in that moment, you start asking yourself, did I do something wrong? Or is this just not for me? The truth is, most of the time it's not your effort. It's what you chose to create. Before we get into what's actually working right now, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this. And if you want real-time niche ideas, keywords, and step-by-step help, join the Telegram and follow on Twitter. Links are in the description. Now let's talk about what actually sells. KDP becomes a lot easier when you understand one simple thing. Amazon is a search engine. People don't go there to scroll. They go there because they're looking for something. So, if your book matches what someone is already searching for, you don't need ads. You just need to show up. And the niches I'm about to show you are built exactly for that. Niche 1. Prompt journals for specific professions. The first niche is simple, but very powerful. Instead of creating a general journal, focus on a specific group of people. For example, nurses, dealing with burnout; teachers, managing stress; healthcare workers under pressure. These people are not searching for a notebook. They're searching for something that understands their situation. When your book speaks directly to them, it stands out immediately. And because it feels personal, they're more likely to buy. Earnings potential. A well-targeted journal in this niche can realistically make $3 to $8 per sale, 3 to 10 sales per day once it ranks. That's roughly $300 to $1,500 per month from just one book. And the best part is, these buyers are not very price sensitive. If it helps them, they'll buy it. Now the next one is not flashy, but it's very consistent. Niche 2. Student logbooks. Most people think students want fancy planners. They don't. They want something that actually helps them stay organized. Things like study trackers, assignment logs, lab record books. These are tools students actually use daily. And here's what makes this niche powerful. Students don't buy once. They come back every semester. Earnings potential. $2 to $6 profit per book, 5 to 15 sales per day during peak periods. That's around $400 to $1,800 per month, especially during school seasons. And if you create multiple versions for different courses or majors, this can scale quickly. Now this next niche is where things start to get really interesting. Niche 3, certification exam workbooks. This is one of the most underrated niches right now. There are thousands of people preparing for exams that don't get much attention. Not big exams, but smaller, career-focused certifications. Things like healthcare entry exams, technical certifications, professional licensing tests. These people are serious. They're not browsing. They're searching because they need to pass. And when they find something helpful, they buy without hesitation. Earnings potential. $5 to $12 profit per book, 2 to 8 sales per day. That's around $300 to $2,000 per month per book. And because these exams happen all year round, this niche is very stable. Now the next niche is a bit different, and that's exactly why it works. Niche 4. Self-reflection and personal growth journals. More people are becoming interested in personal growth. You see it everywhere. Conversations about mindset, healing, and self-awareness. But most people don't just want to read. They want something they can actually use. That's where guided journals come in. Simple prompts, daily reflections, structured exercises. It feels personal. And because it's personal, people connect with it deeply. Earnings potential. $4 to $10 profit per book, 3 to 12 sales per day. That's roughly $400 to $2,500 per month depending on how well it's positioned. And this niche also benefits from trends on platforms like TikTok and forums. And the last one is probably the simplest, but very underrated. Niche 5. Event-based guest books. Most people think guest books are only for weddings, but there's a much bigger opportunity beyond that. Think about birthday celebrations, retirement events, memorial gatherings, housewarming parties. These are emotional moments. People want something meaningful to capture them. And when your book matches that exact moment, they don't hesitate. They buy. Earnings potential: $3 to $9 profit per book, 2 to 10 sales per day. That's about $200 to $1,200 per month, quietly and consistently. And the competition here is still very low in specific event niches. If you look at all these niches, you'll notice something important. They're not random. They are specific, useful, or emotional. That's what makes them sell. If you're starting KDP, don't try to do everything. Pick one niche. Keep it simple. Focus on solving one real problem. That's where real results come from. If this helped you, subscribe for more real, practical content like this. And don't forget to join the Telegram and follow on Twitter in the description for more ideas, strategies, and updates. I'll see you in the next video.